Meaning of highly strung.
Highly strung.
Highly strung.
Highly strung.
Highly strung. The term highly strung is usually used to describe a person who is easily stressed, anxious, or nervous. Such individuals may be prone to overreact to situations that others find manageable, and they may also have difficulty with relaxation or restful sleep. The phrase can also refer to musical instruments that are tightly tuned and require careful handling and tuning. Being highly strung can lead to physical and psychological health problems if not managed properly, but it can also be a trait associated with creativity and high achievement in certain fields.